Let's discuss question number 22 from test sets. This is from heat transfer. For a laminar flow over a flat plate, the local heat transfer coefficient. So you have flat plate. This is your leading edge. X is 0 here, and somewhere here X is, let's say, X. So heat transfer, local heat transfer coefficient means at any point the heat transfer varies as h to the power of minus half. This is the local heat transfer coefficient from the leading edge. Now what is asked is ratio of the average heat transfer coefficient. Okay, so first let's calculate the average heat transfer coefficient between the leading edge and the some location. So how do you calculate average? Average is nothing but just recall the heat transfer calculations. It is HA delta T. Okay, so if you happen to, if let's say the plate temperature is Ts and the outside temperature is T infinity, so H and area, well, width, area, let's say the width is W and length is Tx, into dt is your the surface temperature minus T infinity. So this, if you integrate total from 0 to total length of the plate, that is your total heat transfer coefficient. This heat transfer coefficient I can always write in terms of an average total area into the same temperature difference. Because the local heat transfer coefficient varies, I am just defining everything with one number. Okay, so now A I can write as W into total length, or total length means till X. Okay, or till L, because this, let's write down first the general formula. Okay, so from this WL and Ts minus T infinity gets cancelled, so I can write 1 by L 0 to L H dx. So this is your expression for average heat transfer coefficient. So how do you calculate for this case? He wants between 0 to some x. So 1 by x integral 0 to x H local into dx. So this is just basically what you're doing, because the local heat transfer coefficient varies. We are just representing entire thing with one H average. So Hx is x power minus half dx 0 to x. So this is basically 1 by x, 1 by root x dx 0 to x. So 1 by root x is 2 root x and 0 to x. So that is okay. So let's calculate. 1 by root x is basically x power minus half, and the integration of it will be minus half plus 1 by half. So it is root x. Okay, so this value comes out closer to, so this value comes out closer to 2 by root x. So this is H average. So what is asked is ratio of H average by H local at x, that is at this point. First the H average for the entire region by the local at this point, that is the ask. H average till that point is 1 by 2 root x. H local is x minus half. So that goes above these two, make it 1, so it is 2. So the ratio is 2, and the answer for this is 22. The answer is B. The ratio is 2. So this is just, you have to know what does H average mean. Rest is all math.